Hey guys, thank you for clicking on today's video. So I'm going to show you how to get this hot fire, this poppin' red halo eye. So if you're interested, then keep watching because clearly I was feeling myself from these dance moves. Oh, you know what? I did a little eyeshadow tutorial to match my head wrap and now I don't know how to act. So anyways, if you're interested, keep on watching. Hey, give them, hey, hey. So first off, I'm starting with the Estee Flash Illuminator in the shade Sunlight. I actually do not care for this product, but I'm trying to finish it. But that's what I'm using as a base to add some radiance to my skin. Next, I'm taking this $1 Shop Miss A eyebrow pencil, and I believe it was a shade dark brown, either dark brown or medium brown, and that's pretty much what I use to fill in my eyebrows. Next, I'm going to take my MAC Studio Fish Concealer Duo, and I'm using the shade NC45 to carve out my eyebrows, to snatch the brows, okay? Make the brows crisp, and use my fingers to blend it out into my skin. So I'm using this nasty Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. It's a new one that just came out that everybody was raving about, but it smelled so bad. Oh my god, my face. It smelled so bad, the texture was horrible. It's super orange, I look like an Oompa Loompa. And I was just so upset. Like, I really had high hopes for this. Everybody loved it, and I'm just like, I feel like I'm the only one that didn't like it. I'm like, who is this orange? Who? So now I'm blending out the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in the shade Eden. Getting my eyes ready for this eyeshadow I'm about to put on. And then I'm contouring with the Black Opal Cream Stick Foundation in the shade Suede Mocha. Okay, you gotta move the wrap to the side, lift the bun. Make sure you get that contour shade in. So I'm now taking my Sephora Bright Future Concealer in the shade Cream Caramel, and I'm going to use this to highlight my face as well as balance out some of that orange. So as you can see, not only am I doing the usual center points to my face, I'm also taking it a bit on the sides just to kind of mesh with the orange Oompa Loompa foundation shade. So I'm now applying the Black Radiance Loose Setting Powder in the shade Banana quite liberally across my face, using this to set all the places where I put the concealer. Then I'm going to use this fluffy brush to remove the excess product, and whatever is left on the brush, I'll use that to set the rest of my face as well, using that yellow color to work with the orange. So once that's done, I'm going to use this fluffy brush just to set the concealer that's under my eyebrows so that it doesn't move and that my brows stay popping. So I'm going to use the Abby shade in this Juvia's Place Saharan Blush Palette, Volume 1, and use that to contour my face. So I'm using the shade Neo in the same palette as my blush color, and I just absolutely love these red tones on brown skin, and I just love how it just adds a beautiful flush to the skin. I'm also going to use the shade Zara as a highlight. It's not my favorite highlighter in the world, but it serves its purpose. So I'm now using Juvia's the Masquerade Mini Palette in the shade Zulu to use as a transition color on my eyes. I'm going to go back in that palette and use the shade Fulani and use that right underneath the transition color to add some depth and make it look like, you know, create some kind of eye shape with these dry ass eyes. Then I'm going into Juvia's The Magic eyeshadow palette and use the shade Kogi. And as you can see from my facial expression, this red is so beautiful and it's so pigmented. And I'm just going to take this color and pack it all over the eyelid. So once I have that red shadow in place, I'm then going to go in with the shade Boronu and put that in the center of the eyelid. After applying that gold shade, I'm going to go back into the red shade and use that to apply onto my bottom lash line. Once that is complete, I'm also going to take the same gold shade that I used on the lid and apply that on the center of the bottom lash line as well. To finalize the eye look, I'm going to use the Maybelline Total Temptation Mascara on the top and bottom lash. Not one of my favorite mascaras, but it was alright. I'm also going to use the shade Zuri from Juvia's, the Nubian 2 palette, just to brighten up the inner corner, okay? Make the eyes pop a little more, add a little pizzazz. And now to finish out the look, I'm using my favorite lip liner, MAC Chestnuts, as well as a Sephora lipstick in the shade Brunch Date. You know, the new lip store lipsticks. It's poppin'. And I'm going to use that as my lip as a perfect nude for this look. I absolutely love this combo. One of my faves. And that is the completed look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Toodles!